This is Manikanta Arigela. I am from Kite Group of Institution, currently pursuing BTech third year in the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am explaining. Uh, I done the KHub Task 1 project. That was I I can done whole the project by using Flask. In that Flask, I for the front end I used the technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to as like the folder structure as per the Flask. I put it here in the CSS and JavaScript that are put it in the static folder, and templates folder having the index HTML files, and .env files having the API key like that, and app.py is the main file. This file only can interact with the front end and back end too, and this is the file backend, and it's interact with front end, and also storage means database too, and readme file having the all the instructions, how the project, what the project is, and what the features are here, and what the tech stack and project structure, and everything about the project in the readme file, and how to execute the project and how to run the project, everything is here. And API routes, like how when you are giving a prompt, how it will be getting taking that prompt to some grok, some it will be giving a response, and API key will throwing it to the backend, and backend will be throwing into the front end, and they'll appearing in the web page like that. All these things have will be how to run the project, and here in the readme file, and requirement.txt having the what the requirements we have to do this project is the Flask and python.env and requests like that. These are the 3.0.3 is the versions like that, and we use the SQLite database in this storing the conversations, messages what you have to done in the chatbot. Our chatbot is completely about healthcare, in the healthcare sector, like they're responding in the healthcare related questions only, and other questions will not be responded by the bot. The bot will be restricted for the healthcare sector only, by using like we are we are using medical keywords to bypass the API key classifier, like when you are using these keywords in our prompt, then only we can get the response from the bot like that. And we also interact with from this app.py backend you're interacting with the database too, like when the conversation is be done, the response and input, everything will be stored in the database from backend to here like that. Now I am running the project by clicking terminal and new terminal. Here I am running by this command. The project will be run. That can be clearly here in the readme file, and how we can run the everything. Before running, we will make sure the API key will be in the .env file. Next, Python, we are running entire project. app.py is the main file and backend file. Then the project will be in the live. The project will be is running in the 5000 port number. When you are clicking, so now we want to see the output by clicking the control plus left button, left mouse button in those link, then only you can get the interface of the web page. Here is I am using this port number and link URL. I am pasting it in the Chrome. As like I before said, in 5000 port number, the healthcare chart assistant will be running, as you can see. Here are the previous charts what you have to done. In the previous charts we are conversation about favor something like that, that will be stored here. And now we want to a new chart. In that chart I am asking about uh, favor precautions. They giving a favor precautions what you have to take to preserve the favor like that. And when get when I get stomach pain, what I do. These can also it respond, but when I am asking outside of the healthcare sector, it will not be respond. Like I am asking about, tell me about the movies. When I am asking about the movies, they're saying I am healthcare assistant bot, so I can help only with the healthcare related questions only, not all the movies and other things. Like they are responding only for the healthcare sector only. And there is a futures like when I clicking a new chart button, it will be getting a new chart. And there is a individual chart delete also. This chart entirely will be storing in the database SQLite database. And also we have a future like rename the chart, entire chart. And delete the individual charts. Like I want to delete this chart, delete and okay. If I want to delete this chart, I want to go into that chart and clicking the delete button, it will be deleted and everything like that. And this is all about chartbot. And a very thank you to all.